So I finally managed to run the app on the Apple again with all of those new updates. I actually updated all of the packages that we have. I've all updated everything that we could, and now it's running. After reading some documentations today, I managed to actually fix all of the issues that I was dealing for the past 2 days, so I'm super happy. Unfortunately, after running it on Apple device, some of the charts didn't really show the same as they are showing on the Android, so it's a little bit different for some reason. Even after updating those packages, and that's why I did really updated all of the stuff, because I wanted to make sure that it's not the fault of the packages that we are using to build all of those graphs. And so unfortunately, even after updating all of those graphs are still not the same as they're supposed to be, and they're still not the same as on Android. So Chris will go through them over the weekend, and hopefully we will have all of the solutions and everything will be beautifully nicely done by the end of Monday, and then I will be able to release it to Apple Store, because then there is another 2 weeks of waiting for Apple to actually approve it, and then we can actually release it. I don't think we got any users today, unfortunately, but I'm completely fine with that. I know it's a step-by-step journey, and we still have some errors all the time, so I'm completely fine with that. And I know that once the Apple will be released, there will be a lot of more people who will be happy. And also, I didn't start the proper marketing yet. I'm still trying to get on it with it, but there are still some tasks that are required to be finished before I can do it. There is limited amount of people right now. We have limited resources, so it's just taking a little bit longer than it should. But yeah, that was really my day. As well, I've talked to Nikiuka today. She finished 90% of her tasks. She said that by Sunday she will finish the rest of it. I've also signed an agreement with the backend developer who will work with Nikiuka on business application. So yeah, so that's beautiful, and super experience with all of the languages that he needs to know for us to go into the future, for building all of the technology that we want to build. And his attitude is amazing, because he really wanted to join us. So I'm super happy to have him on board. And I hope they gonna get along with Nikiuka. I've spoken to Fortune because he had some family issues over the past few weeks, so I told him that his agreement finished anyway right now. So I told him to just relax for the next few weeks and just come back to me once he's feeling a little bit better and he has a little bit more idea where he wants to go, how he wants to do stuff going forward, and how does he sees his future really in Uniflow or software development. Because he was really doing the internship with us, and like I said, for the past 2 weeks he wasn't really in because of some issues. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me as always, and I see you tomorrow.